In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge. To get started, the first step is to open Microsoft Edge. You can easily do this by clicking the Microsoft Edge icon, which is typically found on your taskbar or in the Start menu. If you prefer a quicker method, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Start typing Edge and then press Enter. This action launches the browser and you will see the familiar Edge interface come into view. This is important because getting the browser open is your first step toward accessing the vast resources of the internet. Once Microsoft Edge is open, the next step is to browse the internet. Locate the address bar at the top of the window. This is where all the action happens. Click on the address bar, and you can either type a website address such as www.google.com or enter a search term that interests you. After typing, press Enter. This directs Edge to navigate to your chosen site or search results. Understanding how to browse effectively is crucial because it allows you to find information quickly and efficiently. As you explore, it's helpful to know some useful shortcuts to enhance your browsing experience. For instance, pressing Ctrl+L will instantly select the address bar, making it easier to enter a new URL. If you need to go back to the previous page, press Alt plus the left arrow. Conversely, pressing Alt plus the right arrow will let you move forward. To refresh the page you're on, simply use Ctrl+R. These shortcuts are designed to save you time and streamline your navigation as you browse the web. Now that you're browsing, let's talk about how to open and manage tabs. To open a new tab, you can simply click the plus icon located next to your current tabs. This allows you to keep multiple pages open at once. Alternatively, pressing Ctrl+T will also open a new tab quickly. Managing your tabs is essential because it helps you stay organized while you work or research online. If you find yourself needing to close a tab, you can do so by clicking the X on the tab itself. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Ctrl+W will close the current tab in an instant. If you accidentally close a tab you wanted to keep open, don't worry. You can press Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen it. This feature is especially handy when you're navigating through several pages at once. Switching between your open tabs is also a breeze with Microsoft Edge. To move from one tab to another, simply press Ctrl+Tab. This command allows you to cycle through your open tabs smoothly. Being able to switch tabs easily is important as it enhances your multitasking capabilities, making your browsing experience more efficient. By mastering these steps, you will harness the full potential of Microsoft Edge. You've learned how to open the browser, navigate the internet, manage tabs, and utilize useful shortcuts. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these features, the more comfortable you will become. Enjoy your browsing experience and don't hesitate to revisit this guide as needed. Thank you for watching.